right.
Did you write the book of love? And do you have faith in God above? If the Bible tells you so, now do you believe in rock and roll? And can music save your mortal soul? And can it teach me how to dance real slow? Well, I know that you're in love with him, 'cause I saw you dancing in the gym. You both kicked off your shoes. Romantic sounds rhythm and blues. I was a lonely teenage drunken buck with a green carnation and a pickup truck, but I knew that I was out of luck the day the music died. I started singing bye bye Miss American Pie. Drove my Chevy to the levee right when levee was dry. And good old boys were drinking whiskey and rye, singing this will be the day that I die. This will be the day that I die. I met a girl who sang the blues, and I asked her for some happy news, but she just smiled and turned away. Well, I've been down to the sacred store where I heard the music years before, but the man there said the music wouldn't play. Well, now in the streets, the children scream, the lovers cry, and the poets dream, but not a word was spoken. The church bells all were broken, and the free men I admire the most, the Father, Son, and the Holy Ghost. They caught the last train for the coast. The day the music died, we started singing bye bye Miss American Pie. Drove my Chevy to the levee right when levee was dry. And good old boys were drinking whiskey and rye, singing this will be the day that I die. This will be the day that I die. Bye bye Miss American Pie. Drove my Chevy to the levee right when levee was dry. And good old boys were drinking whiskey and rye, singing this will be the day that I die. This will be the day that I die. We started singing. We started singing. We started singing. We started singing.
This dance is American Pie, choreographed by Britton Edwards. It's a 44 count, 2 or 9 dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, find to the right, side behind side, stomp left to left side, so feet are shoulders width apart. And I'm going to turn to face and show you the next 4 counts, which is the butterfly movement. You've got your feet shoulders width apart, and your knees will go in, out, in, out. At the same time, your hands will go in, out, making a figure 8. When they go in, palms will be down. When they go out, palms will be up. In, out, in, out. So the combination is in, out, in, out. That's the last 4 counts of section 1. Section 2 is the same as section 1, but lefts and rights reversed. Side, behind, side, stomp, in, out, in, out. Section 3, walk forward, wave your hands in the air, walk right, left, and then back, right, left, snapping fingers to side. Right, left. Section 4. Kick, ball change, step forward, pivot a quarter turn left, step forward, pivot a quarter turn left to phase 6. The last section has 12 counts. Shuffle forward, right, shuffle a half turn right, stepping left, rock back, recover, and repeat those 6 counts. Shuffle forward, right, turn a half right, shuffling left, rock back, recover. I'm now facing 6 waist on my left and I start over. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 9 and 10, 11, 12. And that's the whole dance.